If you're serious about your yacht and its performance, talk seriously to Ocean Yacht Systems. OYS have an elite portfolio of clients who operate some of the largest and most prestigious yachts in the world. They enjoy a reputation that has been built on the highest standards of craftsmanship, service and professionalism.
One thing we like to do is to work quite closely with the customer in order to define the components they might need for their project.
Always at the sharp end of yachting, their leading-edge design and manufacturing experience ensure you have perfect control over your yacht. OYS rigging systems offer the strength and resilience that gives you the confidence to hold your course in any conditions.
In order to define the rigging lengths that we need to manufacture for a project, we would visit the customer's yard and measure the boat using Total Station, which is a 3D survey equipment. This would define the deck connection points on the boat. We would then survey the mast and we put the two together into a wireframe. From that wireframe we then generate the rigging lengths.
Whether the specification demands the highest tensile strength steel rod available or the superlight resilience of composite materials, OYS design and build world-beating rigs.
One thing that most designers are looking for is a reduction in weight, especially weight aloft in the rig. And one major area where we can make some weight savings are metallic rigging. We can change that to composite rigging and actually save an awful lot of weight aloft. All the weight aloft is saving is actually equals weight you can take out of the keel.
The in-house designed and manufactured thruster systems have been fitted to some of the biggest names in the superyacht business.
It was felt that we could apply the high quality engineering that we do with the rigging into a different area, and we started looking at bow thrusters. As they work on a principle of having twin contra-rotating propellers, this gives equal thrust either side and a very smooth and balanced thrust force. We are supplying a number of bow and stern thruster packages to people these days. People can go out for lunch and without having to drop anchors in sensitive areas, and they can hold station without any disruption.
We're a very design-heavy company. We have a large team upstairs that works on every aspect of the rigging, the thrusters and the hydraulics. Every product that comes from OYS is thoroughly designed, tested and proven before it's put into use. A good example of this is our PBO. We have a test bed that is running 24 hours a day, doing test cycles to make sure that the elongation and the stresses that you may find in a real-world application don't affect the overall strength of the product, and that it's truly going to have the life that theoretically it should have. We're putting real-world tests onto it. We keep a record of every item on the boat that we've supplied. We keep construction drawings, comments, photos, and really updates how things are being looked after over the boat's life.
With the high workloads and stresses involved, servicing these highly tensioned moving parts and hydraulic systems to maintain their high levels of performance is essential. The high degree of expertise available at all levels within the company allows them to offer well-judged service and maintenance programs.
We run the world's largest service network. We have half a dozen locations throughout the world who have facilities and head-in presses similar to what we have here at the factory. We hold the record for rigging the largest boats afloat, and we've also produced the largest hydraulic vang systems.
One of the the aspects that emphasises our strength in customer support is probably our key relationships with some of our bigger customers, people like Perini, Royal Huysman, Vitters. Certainly in the case of Perini, we've probably rigged over the years at least 90% of their fleet. We sort of share a lot of information, assess a lot of the technical aspects together and jointly develop solutions to help build the best boats they can build. We tend to put the customer first, and I think as a company I'm certainly very proud of the way in which we respond and react to customers. That's probably what makes us head and shoulders above the rest.
Ocean Yacht Systems, world leaders by definition.